Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to set fields as read-only in WPForms using a simple no-code method with power-ups for WPForm. Let's dive in. First, install and activate the power-ups for WPForms plugin. Go to Forms, Ultimate Add-ons in your WordPress dashboard. Choose the form where you want to make fields read-only. In the Power-Ups panel, find the option called Disable Form Field to prevent user input. Click on Settings and enable it. Select the field you want to make read-only. You can choose multiple fields and even change the background color to make them stand out. This works for input, text and select fields, so you have got options. And that's it. Now you have learned how to create read-only fields in WPForms using Power-Ups add-on. If you need any help or have questions, drop a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.